get noticed in this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.